Here's Maya watching Max and Ruby, which just went out because it's raining really bad. Actually, it's pretty crappy weather. Say hi.
Hi.
Can you dance? Can you say Dad?
Dad.
Say apple.
Apple.
Doggy.
Coffee.
Say Noel.
What?
Say Mummy.
What?
Say Mummy.
What?
Yeah, Noel's in the bedroom. Say Mummy.
What?
Say Mummy.
Mommy.
Mummy. Say thank you. Good girl. Look! It came back on.
It's free. It's so crunchy, you'll be munching
Dance.
all afternoon.
Dance. Here, want Mummy to put a song on for you?
Here it is.
All right, Max. Off with the dress.
Oh, it went out. It went out. Are you pooping? Are you pooping?
Disgusting.
Say hi.
Shirt. And it costs
Say hi. Don't pick up the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Show your earrings off. Cost Mommy $50 and you lost them already.
Shopping with us today. What about your new overalls, Max?
Hold on, Maya, don't turn it off. Hold on. We'll just put the one out here on. Okay? Where's the remote? What the fuck? Maya.
Oh, Rhonda.
Dance. Say hi. You're pooping and it stinks. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You're pooping. Aren't ya? Hey, say bye. Say bye-bye. Maya, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, don't turn the dishwasher off. It's on again. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye? Say bye. Maya, stop being stubborn, please. Give me your mouth. Thank you. Say bye-bye. Say Dad. You're so bad. Say bye-bye. That's a banana.